Get ready with me as I head out today for a meeting. Recode has launched a beautiful everyday makeup collection. These are 5 products that you need to create your makeup look. Starting with the BUSSIN Flawless Filter Primer, I'm applying it all over my face. Using the Drip BB Cream, I'm going to apply this. This is amazing BB cream if you're looking for something that evens out your skin, gives you skin like finish, and is lightweight. This is my perfect bet for everyday use. I don't like to go with heavy coverages every day. Then moving on to this 4-in-1 stick. This is a game changer. It contains contour, it contains blush, and also highlight and lipstick all in one. I'm going to be blending out the contour here and then moving on to applying my blush. I'm using this beautiful rosy blush and then blending this again. Using the highlighter from the very same stick, highlighting the high points of my face and also applying a little on my eyelid to create the shine. Blending this out again. Now I'm going to be using this eyeliner here. This one is jet black eyeliner and it is matte finish and waterproof. I'm just pulling out a wing here, then moving on to using POOKIE. This is a kajal pencil, and then I'm also going to be using the nude lipstick from this stick and then blend it out with the blush to create an ombre effect. And I'm ready. Bye.